Welcome to Money Matrix, where we break down the world of cryptocurrency to help you build lasting wealth. Will an AI take your job? That's the wrong question. The real question is, will you own a piece of the AI that replaces you? By 2030, McKinsey predicts up to 800 million jobs worldwide could be gone or totally transformed by automation. In the US alone, that's about 60 million positions, nearly 40% of our workforce at risk in the next decade. And it's not just blue-collar jobs anymore. White-collar roles like paralegal research, financial analysis, and even software testing are already being done faster and cheaper by AI. History gives us a chilling preview. Remember bank tellers? Athens wiped out nearly half their jobs between 1980 and 2010. But here's the twist. Overall banking employment actually went up 25%. The banks used the money they saved to open new branches and create new roles. The tellers who were trained became loan officers and managers. The ones who didn't disappeared. Today, AI is the new ATM, but this time it's coming for the loan officers, too. So, how do you survive and thrive? First, you need a financial fortress. The first line of defense is having a massive cash buffer. We're talking 24 months of living expenses saved up in cash or short-term bonds. Why so much? Because a recent Federal Reserve study found that over 40% of Americans couldn't even cover a $2,000 emergency. When that layoff notice hits your Slack, the unprepared are forced to cash out their retirement funds at the worst possible time, paying huge penalties. The prepared, however, can treat their severance period like a paid sabbatical to learn new skills. That 24 months of runway is just about comfort. It's about power. It gives you the freedom to negotiate from a position of strength or even start your own business, instead of desperately grabbing the first offer you get. Second, you have to deliberately pivot your skills. The safest jobs right now share a few key traits. They either require a physical presence in unpredictable places, think plumbers and nurses, or they rely on deep, personal trust, like therapists and top-level negotiators. The third safe zone, jobs that orchestrate AI instead of competing with it, like prompt engineers and AI ethics auditors. If you're in a threatened role earning, say, $120,000 a year, you could invest about $18,000 annually into an intensive certification for one of these resilient fields. The payoff is huge when your old job vanishes and your new skills command an even higher salary with almost zero risk of automation. The third and most powerful move is to own the machine that's causing the disruption. Every dollar you invest in the companies building AI today, the claim on the future profits the airlines make by cutting payroll tomorrow. Think about it. The core AI infrastructure players, semiconductors, cloud providers, model developers have seen returns over 35% annually since 2022. You can turn a portion of your paycheck into fractional ownership of your own replacement. The irony is the point. Your capital grows precisely because someone else's labor is being eliminated. And don't forget the financial hacks. When you leave a job, the IRS currently gives you a 180-day window to roll your traditional 401k into a Roth IRA. Pay the taxes now, and enjoy tax-free growth and withdrawals forever. This move alone could save you six figures in future taxes, but that window might not stay open for long as governments get desperate for tax revenue. Even health insurance, the biggest fear for anyone losing a job in America, is less of a threat right now thanks to extended ACA subsidies. A family with zero income after a layoff could qualify for nearly free, high-quality health coverage. Finally, prepare yourself psychologically and contractually. Before you sign any new employment agreement, scrutinize those non-compete clauses. Negotiate to keep the right to consult or build your own thing using public AI tools. That way, when your former employer deploys an AI trained on your life's work, nothing stops you from offering a better, cheaper service to your old clients. When this wave of change hits its peak, most people will see it as a disaster. But a small group will experience it as a graduation. Their finances will be secure, their new skills will be valuable, and they'll own a piece of the new economy. This isn't random. The outcome is decided by the actions you take today, long before any termination notice arrives. AI isn't just coming for your job. It's coming for everyone else's inaction. So, what will you do about it? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on navigating our AI future.